friends. Okay, so we're back with another hair tutorial, and in today's video we will be doing a simple twist out on short natural hair. So y'all already know from my last video. By the way, if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. Anywho, if you haven't known by now, girl, my hair be nappy. To contain those naps, we're going to section off our hair. It doesn't have to be even. We're going to spray it down with some water, and we're going to detangle our hair with our brush, preferably a Denman brush. Between y'all and me, my hair was so nappy, I had to section off another part and start over. Ooh, child, y'all see my face. I was literally in my bathroom fighting my hair. It hurts so bad. By the way, I washed my hair the night before and didn't put anything in it. I just put it up into like these little puffs, and 0 out of 10 recommend. No ma'am. When you wash your hair, make sure you put something in it, brush it, because if not, you're gonna be going through what I went through. We're finally getting somewhere, and honestly, spraying my hair with the water and the conditioner plus oil inside, it has actually helped detangle my hair. And as you can see, your girl is not struggling anymore and the brush is gliding through. Here we're going to take one of my favorite hair products, the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Soufflé. First of all, this stuff smells so good and I love using it. I've been using it since high school as well, but it just leaves my hair feeling very soft, manageable, and very moisturized. You're going to section off your hair for however big you want your twist to be. You're going to add that Mielle Twisting Soufflé in, as well as a foam wrapping lotion of your choice, also known as Mousse. And then you're going to add any type of oil to seal that hair into place. I would also like to add that the smaller the twists are, the better the outcome is. I have never tried to do big twists inside of my hair, so I'm not really sure how that would work out. Once you're done working all 3 of those products into your hair, you want to brush it again to make sure that it's all evenly detangled, and then you're going to begin twisting. Now you may need to add some clips to your hair to kind of like section off that back piece. As you can see, I'm trying to move it out the way, but you could use clips to section off your hair. I don't know why I didn't, maybe because I'm lazy, but I think it would make the process easier if you just sectioned off that piece of hair that's waiting to be twisted. Now this is optional to do at the beginning, or you could just wait to do it at the end. Anywho, once I finish a twist, I'd like to just go back in and put some more product in, and as you can see, the oil on my ends as well. You always want to protect your hair, especially on the end, because that is the oldest piece of your hair. Right here, I'm just showing you guys one last time how I officially complete these twists. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to speed up the rest of this process, and hopefully you guys can really see what I'm doing. Right here, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks from the back, and also I want to show you guys I'm not parting my hair at all. I'm literally just grabbing section by section. None of this is even. I would also like to give credit out to Bree Hall. So shout out to her, because when I was back in high school, maybe like my senior year or my freshman year in college, she posted a twist out tutorial, And first of all, I've always tried to twist out my hair and it always failed until I did her tutorial. And y'all, I've never looked back since. I've always done it this way. The only difference is she likes to add rollers on the ends of her hair, which anybody could do. You guys could do it as well. I chose not to do it because I'm lazy, but I can definitely see the difference and you guys might want to try it. So yes, shout out to her. We finally completed the twist out section. I think that was the hardest part, honestly, and it wasn't even that hard. Anywho, y'all could leave this in for however long as y'all want. I probably left this in for like 2 days, 3 days straight. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But I mean, you can also complete this look overnight. You may want to add some type of heat to your hair, but I don't really like adding heat, so I'll just literally sit around for a few days with this in my head. So it's been about 3 days now and I'm finally taking my hair out, but right now I'm just adding oil all throughout my hair, and then I'm gonna take off my scarf and begin the untwisting process. Baby, that face was beat, okay? I put my makeup on with my scarf on, so I know y'all can see the line of demarcation, which is okay. We're going to fix that later. Once you're done untwisting your hair, you're going to basically make your hair grow. By this, I mean separating the curls, and this is going to give it that volume kind of look. After you're finally done separating your hair, you want to take a pick or maybe a wide tooth comb and just go throughout your hair with that, and this is going to give it that extra volume type of look. By the way, if you guys had a middle part like I did that went all the way back, you might want to cover up that part. I mean, how crazy would a twist out look? Like, it's so pretty, but at the same time, she got this big behind part just going through or down the back of her head. No, that would look so crazy. So make sure you guys please hide that part. Now, it's optional how much you want to pick your twist out. I'm used to my hair being longer, so I do like that big kind of afro look. But, I mean, all of this is optional, so... We're finally done with our hair, guys, and I definitely did not forget about that line of demarcation. So like you can see, you just want to take your makeup brush and blend the rest of your makeup out. Before this video ends, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you can see all the upcoming videos that I will have.